Life got you down? With these many problems that's coming, feeling like you can't do it alone? Hear this. Sometimes life feels like a mountain we can't climb. But remember, you're not alone. God is just one call away. Jeremiah 33:3 says, "Call to me and I will answer you and tell you great and unsearchable things you do not know." This verse reminds us that God is always ready to listen and reveal His wisdom to us. When we reach out, He promises to respond with guidance and insight. Jeremiah 29:11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." This powerful promise assures us that God has a plan for our lives, one filled with hope and a bright future. Even when we feel